Understanding, replacing old items, a guide to renewal and upgrade. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a very practical and everyday phrase that you might come across often: replacing old items. Understanding this phrase is not just about expanding your vocabulary but also about grasping a concept that is widely applicable in our daily lives. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase truly means and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, replacing old items, refers to the act of substituting older objects, tools, devices, or even ideas with newer ones. This process can occur in various contexts, such as in our homes, workplaces, personal gadgets, or even in non-tangible aspects like beliefs or systems. The key here is understanding the concepts of old and new in this context. Old usually means something that is either outdated, no longer functional, or perhaps not as efficient as it used to be. New, on the other hand, suggests something more current, with improved features or efficiency. To truly grasp the meaning, let's look at some real-life examples. 1. Technology upgrade. Replacing an old mobile phone with a newer model that has better features and functionality. 2. Home renovation. Swapping out old, worn-out furniture for new pieces that better suit your current needs and aesthetic preferences. 3. Wardrobe update. Getting rid of clothes that are either out of fashion or no longer fit, replacing them with items that are more in style or suitable. 4. Changing perspectives. This can also apply to ideas or beliefs, where you might replace old ways of thinking with new, more enlightened viewpoints. You might wonder why there's often a need to replace old items. The reasons can vary greatly but usually revolve around improvement, efficiency, and adaptation. Newer items might offer better functionality, be more energy efficient, or simply align better with our current needs and tastes. Additionally, replacing old items can sometimes be a necessity, especially when they no longer serve their purpose or could potentially pose risks, such as outdated electrical appliances. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of replacing old items and how it permeates through various aspects of our lives. Whether it's about staying current with technology, ensuring our surroundings reflect our evolving tastes, or adopting more progressive viewpoints, the idea of replacement is all about moving forward and making room for the new. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Remember, learning is a continuous journey, and we're here to make that journey both enriching and enjoyable. See you in the next video.